In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Obsidian graph view to visualize your notes. This feature gives you a bird's eye perspective of your entire vault, showing how ideas connect so you can spot patterns, clusters, and gaps at a glance. It's especially helpful if you're a visual thinker or you've been linking notes and want to see the big picture. First, open Obsidian. Once you're in your vault, look at the left sidebar and find the graph view icon. It looks like a small circle network. Click that to open the graph view. You'll see a constellation of dots and lines. Each dot or node represents a note in your vault, and each line represents a link between notes. The thicker or more numerous the connections, the more central that node is to your network. To explore, move your cursor over any node to reveal the note's title. This quick hover is a great way to identify what you're looking at without leaving the graph. When you find something you want to read, click the node to open that note. It will load in your main editor so you can review or edit it, then return to the graph whenever you're ready to keep exploring. In the top right corner of the graph view, you'll find filters that help you focus. Use the tag filter to show only notes with certain tags. For example, if you're working on research or a project, filter by a tag you use for that topic to declutter the view and highlight what matters right now. You can also switch to a local graph around a specific note. The local graph shows a selected note and the notes directly linked to it, which helps you understand its immediate context without being overwhelmed by the entire vault. It's perfect for drilling down into a single topic or tracing the path of related ideas. To navigate the graph, use zoom and pan. Scroll or pinch to zoom in and out, and click and drag to pan around the canvas. Zooming in helps you inspect dense clusters, while zooming out reveals overall structure. If your graph feels busy, zoom out and apply filters for clarity. If it feels sparse, zoom in and hover on nodes to see their titles and connections. That's all you need to start exploring your ideas visually. Now you can explore your Obsidian notes visually with Graph View. Subscribe for more tutorials.